morning, everyone.
Yes, market showing some positive trend, but today markets are also more of a negative trend, except for Hong Kong, which is showing some positive trend. Whereas if you see the commodities are oil has come down from $120 to around $180, around 2% down. Aluminum is flat. Copper is down by around 0.5%. Iron ore has seen a sharp move up in China. It's up by around 5%, and steel is up by around 1.4%. So the things are now is likely to move on more of economic data. Being month end, we will see a lot of new economy data coming up for the last month. That is PMI and employment data in the US and all. So that is likely to influence the market. And apart from that, the expectation building up for the results impact on the market. So in results, initial IT companies shares are expected to report numbers, and that numbers are likely to show continuation of its improvement, which we saw even in the last quarter. So those results are expected to be reasonably okay and will show some improvement. Reliance is also likely to show comparatively better results as they are seeing a higher refining margin. Apart from that, petchem business is also likely to show higher return on account of inflationary trend. And even their new businesses, that is Geo, will see higher realization or ARPU, mainly on account of the increase in price which they had taken in the month of November end or December start, will get fully reflected in this quarter. And even what we see in the retail footfall has shown continuously strength. Though December, as compared to December, it may not be like that because that was a festival season. But still, we will see good improvement in this particular quarter. If we see pre-COVID level, it may be like to like, it may be at par or it will be marginally better. So larger companies, these two sectors are likely to show comparatively better results. So overall, the market will be driven by more of a event-based, result-based, and then economic data. And I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, last week also mentioned that Nifty trading within the range that is 200 DMA, 200 DMA within the 200 DMA around Nifty trading above that 200 DMA, but its resistance place around 100 DMA around 17,270 and upside, and 200 DMA around place around 17,040 at downside. So we expect range Nifty trading within the range only. Intraday basis, immediate resistance place around 17,200. If Nifty break above this 17,200, then we expect towards 17,270, 17,317 and upside. Support place around 17,100 plus, and below that 17,740 is the next important support for Nifty. Bank Nifty also trading within the range. Upside immediate resistance place around 35,700 and support place around 35,300 at downside. If Bank Nifty close above 35,700, then we expect more towards momentum towards 36,000 in an upside. Nifty Finance also trading the resistance zone around 16,400. 420 in upside. It's break above 16,420. Then next immediate resistance place around 16,530 and support place around 16,300. In stock specific, Tata Power looks positive at current level. We already given a call in Tata Power. Target is 252 and stop loss place around 236. Godrej Property also looks positive at current level. We expect further momentum towards 1700, 1714 upside. Support place around 1570 at downside. That's it for technical derivative.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. Good morning, everyone. So
As per OI positions, we are seeing that at major strike in Friday session, major strike, the OI positions got unwinded. While as per the monthly OI positions, we are seeing that at 17,400 major colored positions are getting headed up. So 17,400 to 500 will act as an important resistance zone. Once Nifty get clearance above 17,400 level, then we might witness the momentum to be continued in the market. While on the downside, we have witnessed from 17,000 strike major reversals are seen. So currently 17,000 will act as an important supportive zone. Currently, we are witnessing two positive factors from the derivative front. First one is the PCROI. PCROI has got a stable around 0.90 to 0.85 level. So once the PCROI goes below 0.80 level, then only we might witness some selling pressure in the market. Currently, the range for the market would be 17,000 to 17,400 strike. While India VIX is continuously decreasing on day-to-day basis, on the Friday session we have witnessed India VIX almost closed around 23 levels. So once if India VIX goes below 20 level, then we might witness the stability to be gained in the market. While we are seeing continuously buying momentum in the stocks, major stocks are witnessing a big breakout. So currently the momentum and the view for the market tend to be positive. So hold your long positions with the support of 17,000 level. As per stock specific, we are expecting Concord, MCX, Intellect, PVR, and L&T Finance. This forecast looks positive for coming trading session. Thank you.
Good morning. Today, the shares of Motherson Sumi Wiring India will be listed. The domestic wiring harness business of Motherson Sumi was demerged and so will now list separately. Demerger had happened in January, and that is why during that period we saw that the Motherson Sumi, the main shares, declined in terms of price. This company seems to be a better bet than most other auto ancillary companies in comparison. It is a pure play domestic passenger vehicle wiring harness business. It is expected that there will be an increase in content per vehicle due to adoption of electric vehicles. We have already seen an increase in the content per vehicle because of BS6 adoption, and now that should continue even during the EV regime. Expected revenue for FY22 is around 5,600 crores. So it's a large company, and profit for this year should be around 400 crores and with an ROC of more than 40%. So based on FY22 EPS of around 1.2 per share and a premium trailing PE multiple of we feel it can get between 40 to 50 times. So if we take around 40 times PE multiple, then company can list around 50 rupees per share. If the market is a bit goes a bit on the aggressive side and gives it a multiple of 50 times also, that is also possible. So stock can list at even 60 rupees per share. At 50 rupees, the market cap will be 16,000 crores. Another news is on GR Infra Projects, where company has emerged as L1 bidder for a road project which involves upgradation of 4-lane national highway in Gujarat. It is on HAM basis. The bid cost of the project is 1,100 crores and will be completed within 2 years. So positive for GR Infra Projects. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Sun Pharma has presented phase 3 data for Winlevi. This is a topical cream for the acne. Before this cream, there was no solution for the acne. The company had got the approval for this product last year, and it is doing well. And this positive data actually augurs well for the company in future also. So this is an overall marginal positive development for Sun Pharma. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. PVR has approved a merger with Inox Leisure. Share exchange ratio is 3 shares of PVR for every 10 shares of Inox. PVR currently has 871 screens and Inox operates around 675 screens. With this, the combined entity would have a total of around 1,546 screens and would become the largest film exhibition company. With this, the merged entity would be having 50% of the multiplex market in India in FY22 and will enjoy high bargaining power in leasing, distribution, advertisement, ticket price, etc. This is positive to the company. Thank you.
Good morning. The board of Sagar Cements have approved the issuance of 1.3 crore equity shares to PI Opportunities Fund, which is an investment arm of Azim Premji, at an issue price of rupees 265 per share. This is at a premium as compared to Friday's closing price of rupees 255. This transaction will fetch the company rupees 350 crores, which will be utilized towards its expansion plans. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Adani Enterprise subsidiary has won 2 coal blocks with 14% premium. So that may act a bit positive for Adani Enterprises.
So that's all from us. Thank you very much and have a good day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.